So the whole point of today and Joseph being here is so you can walk out of this workshop with a plan. We Care is truly an American dream. Rusty and his wife Stephanie started We Care with a vision of serving Southern California with the finest plumbing, heating, and air services.
We're excited to let you know that we offer 3 great opportunities to help build your business. Third-party certifications like Pearls add an average of 5% to the sales price and or appraised value of the high-performing homes.